Hey people, welcome to the crypto realm, where we deliver the hottest news behind every crypto move. In today's video, we will be talking about the massive NFT pump that is now here. Watch till the end to learn how you can use this pump for your benefit. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications to keep up with our content. Alright then, let's dive in. OpenSea is a decentralized marketplace for buying and selling NFTs that is changing the game. NFTs stand for Non-Fungible Tokens, which are unique collectible digital items such as in-game assets, avatars, trading cards, and art. The volume of NFT trading on OpenSea in August 2021 alone was well over $3.5 billion. Given that it only had $21 million in volume for the entire year of 2020, it's reasonable to say that the 12,000% increase in trading activity is a clear sign of success. Mark Cuban, Kevin Durant, Ashton Kutcher, and crypto juggernaut A16Z have all contributed to OpenSea's $1 billion value, giving the nascent NFT platform unicorn status virtually overnight. NFT collectors, artists, investors, and traders all praise OpenSea, but it might be difficult to navigate if you're new to the site. This OpenSea Beginner's Guide includes an overview of NFTs, what OpenSea is and how to use it, as well as some of the greatest NFTs available. Understanding NFTs before digging into OpenSea will save you time and confusion later. A non-fungible token is a token that is not fungible. That's not very helpful, and there's a lot to unpack, so let's start at the beginning. A fungible token, like Bitcoin, is a digital coin that may be traded in any exchange. A Bitcoin is always equivalent to any other Bitcoin since fungible tokens are not unique. The same may be said about traditional currency. Because dollar bills are interchangeable, neither you nor the other person loses anything if you trade them. A non-fungible token, on the other hand, represents a one-of-a-kind digital good. Consider CryptoPunk's profile image avatars, Axie Infinity in-game goodies, and original digital artworks. Because they are separated digital things, if you have a CryptoPunk NFT and your friend has a Bored Ape YC NFT, they are not transferable like money. NFTs have attracted a wide range of digital artists because they enable proven ownership of digital assets for the first time. Furthermore, they let artists and collectors trade directly with one another, as is the case with OpenSea's peer-to-peer NFT market. OpenSea bills itself as the first and largest NFT marketplace in the world. To put it another way, OpenSea is like eBay for digital artifacts and collectibles. OpenSea was founded by Alex Atala and Devin Finzer in New York City in 2017. They quickly entered the company into the renowned Y Combinator startup accelerator, where they secured a $2.7 million investment. Early on, the OpenSea team had a lot to prove. Apart from early fads like CryptoKitties, NFTs failed to catch on before 2021. However, the team's prediction that people will value digital goods as highly as, if not more than, real objects began to come true. Here's some background information to help you understand what OpenSea is all about. Cryptocurrency token trading laid the groundwork for the present NFT craze. People trade digital currency and utility tokens around the world at all hours of the day and night. They're fine with owning things they can't see or touch digitally, signaling that the digital native era has arrived. As people increasingly live their lives online, interacting with digital items is becoming more common. Rather than bringing the physical into the digital in the early days of the web, the current phase is all about digital-first inventions, such as good memes, games, and interactive experiences. That's why on social networking platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, users are ditching selfies in favor of profile pic avatars. Penguin avatars, pixelated punks, and jaded apes with laser eyes are taking over instead. In a broader sense, all of these signs point to the start of the Metaverse, a shared virtual realm that we all create and own together, and in which NFTs play a key role. When thinking of OpenSea, it's simple to conceive of it as the eBay of digital things, but it's so much more. When you buy an NFT, it belongs to you in the same manner that foodstuffs do after payment. But what if you want to transfer it, sell it, or look for others that are similar to it? What if you're planning to purchase an NFT but want to quickly check its ownership history? There was no straightforward method to do any of these things before OpenSea. Yes, OpenSea is a peer-to-peer NFT marketplace, but it's also the user interface layer that connects the blockchain to ordinary people, making it simple to buy and utilize NFTs. Without further ado, here is a step-by-step guide to completing the task. Number 1. Create an ETH wallet and link it to OpenSea. To begin, you must first connect an Ethereum wallet to OpenSea. It doesn't have to be full, you don't have to possess any Bitcoin. If you don't already have a wallet, MetaMask or Coinbase wallet are also good options. Both are effective, popular, and simple to use. While you're doing this, don't forget to repeat your recovery mantra. You'll need your wallet to confirm several of the steps in this guide, so have it on hand. Number 2. Make a collection in OpenSea. On OpenSea, NFTs are made within a collection, thus you must first create one. To do so, go to the upper right corner of your screen and click your profile icon, then My Collections, and then Create. The majority of your important decisions will be made here. Number 3. Get the OpenSea collection up and running. Begin by creating your first OpenSea collection. You may now name your collection, change the URL, and add a description of your choice, as well as add images such as logo, featured, and banner. In this section, you may also set the royalty percentage fee. This is the percentage you'll get paid from NFTs you develop every time they're sold and traded. If you sell an NFT for X amount of dollars, you will receive X amount of dollars at first, but if the buyer resells it to someone else, you will make money again by receiving a portion of the new transaction. Number 4. Select the proper blockchain. After that, choose the right blockchain for your collection. The Ethereum blockchain and the Polygon blockchain have opposing viewpoints. Choose the Polygon option if you don't want to pay any gas fees. Finally, press the Create button. While building up the collection, you'll need to confirm the acts you conduct using your Ethereum wallet. Number 5. Mint NFTs. You can start minting NFTs now that you've built up a collection. Simply select your collection and then add items. You can now mint a piece of art as an NFT by uploading it. You can also select the number of copies you want to print. If you have stats or unlocked material that you get when you buy the NFT, you can indicate those on this page as well. When your NFT is ready, go to its page and click Sell to set a price for it. When using OpenSea, the pricing must be at least $2. If there are many copies of the NFT, you can also specify how many copies you want to sell. Number 6. Make a profit. That concludes our discussion. You made your first NFT without paying any costs. On OpenSea, you can do a lot of cool stuff. Trading, selling, and buying various types of NFTs are, of course, the most popular actions. However, you can utilize the site to learn a lot about the NFT business and to learn about new initiatives. The NFT marketplace infrastructure is provided by OpenSea for free, and users contribute to the platform's upkeep by paying a 2.5% charge on each NFT sale. When you consider that eBay costs start at 10% and go up from there, OpenSea's flat rate sales fee is quite fair. The charge paid to OpenSea remains the same whether your NFT sells for $10 or $10 million. When you consider the number of various cryptocurrencies available, purchasing NFTs can be difficult. To make matters even more complicated, the same NFT is likely to be priced in a variety of currencies, including ETH, DAI, and USD. ETH is the most often used base currency for buying and trading NFTs. It is also the most often used money on OpenSea. But there's one thing you should know. OpenSea uses WETH, which is a wrapped version of ETH. With that being said, we would want you to know that the crypto market is highly volatile, and it is always advised to do your own research before investing into anything, let alone crypto. We do not provide financial advice, and this video is purely for informational and entertainment purposes. With all that said, we are at the end of the video. Which crypto should we discuss next? Drop it down in the comments box. If you found the video interesting, make sure to hit the like button and stay tuned for more videos. See you soon. Until then, bye.